this is the rice water. I added a tea tree oil to it. I could tell that it has really fermented a lot because I could see all these stuff in there like I showed you when I first initially took it out. I think it was a genius idea for me to put it in this pickle jar because if the rice had any stinky scent, I can't smell it. I don't know what I smell like. And I love pickles, and all I smell like when I open this is pickles. Even if I did wash the jar and the cover and everything before using it, you know, when you have these pickle jars, it's like hard to get a pickle thing out of it. I washed it and everything, but when I open this, all I smell is pickle. But I still went ahead and added the tea tree oil, so my hair is about to be probably smelling like pickle. I don't know. But this is the rice water, and I am getting ready to wash my hair. I'm not going to be washing my hair in here because it's kind of hard to record doing something like that by myself. So I am going to wash my hair in the kitchen, and then I'll record it and show you guys, and I'll give you guys my first impression on using this rice water. Okay. Okay, so I've had this in my hair for 30 minutes. I'm going to take it out. Okay, so I just got done washing the rice water out of my hair, and the first thing I noticed is, was that, is that a curl? Do you guys see this? That's a curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my twists just so that I could do a real first impression. This is my hair with no product, just washed out the rice water. I would say my hair definitely feels, I don't know how to explain it. Like my hair feels like, it feels, you know, like usually after I condition my hair, it feels nice and soft and spongy. But like right now after the rice water rinse, it feels kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like if you wash your hair with sulfate shampoo, that kind of weird feeling. It makes your hair feel kind of like rough. That's kind of how my hair feels, but it's just not rough. This is my hair. This is my hair after the rice water treatment. And shrinkage is real, right? Yeah, so it feels soft, but then it also feels like that kind of squeaky clean hair feeling that you get after washing your hair. Like I have that squeaky clean hair feeling, and that's the best way I could describe it. I won't be able to, this is my first time using it, so I definitely can't say whether it did anything impressive as yet. I won't be I don't wash my hair every week, so I'll use it one more time. You know, I'll see if anything happened, but it definitely feels, I don't know how to explain it. Like I think I expected it to make my hair feel softer or something, but it doesn't make my hair feel soft. It just makes my hair feel like, kind of like how your hair feel after a shampoo. That's how it feels after the rinse. So I'll definitely try it again to see if it does anything, but I am gonna go ahead and do my lock method and stretch my hair. If you haven't seen my how I stretch my hair video, I'll leave a link down below so y'all could see this. But this is my first impression of using rice water. This is what my hair looks like without product. No product, no stretch, no nothing. This is what my hair looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.